The Union Budget 2026-27 reflects the Government of India's strong commitment to strengthening the nation's industry ecosystem, advancing strategic manufacturing capabilities, and accelerating India's journey towards self-reliance and sustainable growth under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. For the Ministry of Heavy Industries, the budget focuses on building long-term capacities in critical and emerging sectors. In continuation of the rare earth permanent magnets manufacturing scheme, the government has proposed the development of dedicated rare earth corridors in Tamil Nadu, Orissa, Kerala and Andhra Pradesh. These corridors will play a vital role in establishing integrated value chains for advanced materials, reducing import dependence and strengthening India's strategic autonomy in high technology manufacturing. The budget also announces a major scheme for the manufacturing of construction and mining equipments. This initiative will boost indigenous production, promote technological modernization, generate employment, and support infrastructure and mining activities across the country. In addition, two high-tech tool rooms will be operated by central public sector enterprises to promote the manufacturing of machine tools in India, enhance precision engineering capabilities, and support MSMEs and startups to further strengthen India's clean energy and advanced manufacturing ecosystem. The budget proposes the extension of basic customs duty exemptions for capital goods used in the manufacturing of lithium ion cells, including those meant for battery energy storage systems. Customs relief has also been announced for critical minerals with exemptions on the import of capital goods required for their processing in India. These measures are aimed at developing robust domestic value chains in strategically important materials and enhancing India's competitiveness in global markets. The budget places a strong focus on promoting sustainability and reducing the carbon footprint of the steel sector.